My name is Pritam and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the download and installation process of the community edition of mongoDB in macOS. First of all, you have to go to your browser and you can choose your favorite search engine. I am using DuckDuckGo. It's fine. You can use anything. So there you have to write mongoDB community edition download on Mac. Then this link will be coming up. If you open it up, so you can see here the installation process on Mac is getting described here. Okay, now first of all you need to install the Xcode, actually command line tools. Okay, so let me copy this and let me open in the terminal. Okay, so as you can see is always already installed in my PC. Okay, if you don't have, you have to install it. Okay, and then that install the homebrew. Okay, so if you don't have the homebrew, then you have to install it, as I already have. So I'm going to this commands so it will take some time. Okay, now next you can update your brew, I guess, by this command. If it is not up to date, it is already up to date for me. And then you can use this command brew install mongodb community @7.0. 7.0 is a version, so it will might take some time. Let's wait. So as you guys can see, it is already downloaded now. Now as we can see that it is already downloaded, so we can check like mongodb version. So here you can see that it is yes, the 7.0.8 is already installed. Now we can this one. Okay, not this one, sorry, start. Okay, yeah, brew services start mongodb brew mongodb community. This is the command which you can use to start the service. Okay, and also instead of start you can use stop also. Okay, so now if you will mongo sh for the shell, so once the shell will be opening, yeah, now you can write show dbs. Okay, so here you can see admin, config, local, there are databases are there. Okay, so this is how, so you can see the background already has been added when we started the services. Okay, by this. Okay, this will be added in your background activity in Mac, and after that, yeah, this will start. Now let's go to the thing and try to download Mongo Compass for Mac. Okay, so you can download this GUI. Okay, and Mac OS 64 version M1. So as I am using this one, so I will be downloading this one and using this one ARM 64 M1. Thus I am having M1 chip, and yeah. So now let's download this. Yeah, as the download is completed, double click here, and what you have to do, that you have to drag and drop it here inside the application, and that's it. Okay, so once it is done, you can check your launch pad. Here you can see mongodb compass is there. Okay, it will be open up. Yeah, so open it. Yeah, so you can see, you can check here and you can connect these things, and yeah, so locally you can do like your databases, you can have collections, you can create collections and all other things you can do. So that is for the local setup. In the next video we will talk about mongodb Atlas, what it is and how to use it. So that's the thing. So if you really like the video, guys, like please do hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel for sure, like so that I could have a more motivation, like to create more and more contents for all of you guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.